Students, today we are going to learn here this in this algebraic expression chapter, these equations in one variable. The equations containing only one variable with index 1 are known as these simple equations. Yesterday also we studied these 4 examples. Again one example you see here, this 7a plus 2 is equal to 26 plus 3a. Solution here 7a and 7a plus 2 is equal to here 26 plus 3a. These variables take together here 7a minus 3a is equal to this 26 here and plus 2 here minus 4. 7a minus 3a is equal to 4a is equal to 26 minus 2 24. Then a is equal to 24 divided by 4. A is equal to 6. A is equal to 6. When there are variables on both the sides of an equations, they eliminate those from this right hand side of this equation. When there are variables on this both the sides of this equation, then we eliminate those from this right hand side of this equation. If a term is transferred from one side to the other side, when term is transferred from one side to the other side, then equal to sign of an equation, the term sign must be changed. See here, this term is transferred here from one side to other side. This 3a here, this here plus sign is changed here, this minus sign. Then this problem solving. See here one problem given. The sum of two quantitative natural number is 127. Find the numbers. The sum of two quantitative conjugative natural number is 127. Then find the numbers. Find the numbers. These two quantitative natural number. Quantitative means this sequentially of these natural numbers. Let the natural number be x. Let the natural number be x, and another natural number quantitative, another natural number x plus 1. Then the sum of these two natural numbers, the sum of these two quantitative natural numbers is 127. Then do here addition, x plus in bracket x plus 1 is equal to 127. Then solve this bracket, x plus 1 is equal to 127, x plus x, 2x plus 1 is equal to 127. Then see here, this 2x is equal to 127 plus 1 here changed, then minus 1. 2x is equal to 126. 2x is equal to 126. Then x is equal to 126 divided by 2. Then x is equal to 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. Answer is 63. X is equal to 63. See here, then x plus 1 means 63 plus 1 is equal to 64. Then these two quantitative natural numbers, 63 and 64. Right here, the two consecutive natural numbers 63 and 64. Then see this practice set 36. Practice set 36. First one, simplify in one bracket here 3x minus 11y, 3x minus 11y minus 17x plus 13y, and choose the right answer. You simplify these equations, and below these four options given, then which one is correct you see here. Firstly you solve this equation, this first bracket write as it is 3x minus 11y, then solve this bracket, minus here minus 17x, then minus plus minus 13y, then same variables take here 3x minus 17x, then minus 11y minus 13y. 3x minus 17x means 3x minus 17x means 17 minus 3 14, and here minus 14x, then minus plus and big number symbol, this minus 11 plus 13, this 24y. Answer is minus 14x minus 24y. But here option is, see here in this type here given minus 2, common this minus 2, 2 7 ja 14, 7x minus again 2 no, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Answer is this minus 2 in bracket 7x minus 12y, sorry plus 12y. Plus 12y. Then see second one question. The product of 23 x square y cube z and in another bracket minus 15x cube y z square is the product of. You multiply here these algebraic equations. So here multiplication, this 23 x square y cube z multiply minus 15 x square y z square. 23 into minus 15, 23 into minus 15 minus 345. Then here x square and here x square, x see here x square and here here x cube, x square and x cube means x to the power of this index 5. Then y cube and here 1y means y 4, and z cube. This answer is minus 300 minus 345 x5 y4 and z cube. This first one, here 4 options given. Out of these 4 options, first one answer is correct, and here this fourth one answer is correct. Then next one question, solve these following equations. equations given here. Solve this following equation. Third one question. First equation, see here, 4x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. Then you solve this 1 by 2 here plus, then you subtract this 1 by 2 on both sides. 4x plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Then here, see here, 4x is equal to 9 minus 1, 8 by 2. Then 4x is equal to 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. 4x is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 4 divided by 4 means answer is 1. Then here x is equal to 1. The solution of this equation is 1. See here, 4x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. You solve this equation and here answer is 1. Then second one, see, 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. 10 is equal to 2y plus 5 means 2y plus 5 is equal to 10. Then 2y is equal to, here addition is there, then you subtract this minus 5 on both sides. Then here 2y is equal to 10 minus 5 means here 5. Then y is equal to 5 divided by 2 answer. Y is equal to 5 divided by 2. The solution of this equation is answer y is equal to 5 divided by 2. This remaining part tomorrow, okay.